What's up, guys? Today we have a special pizza and it is worth 469 baht. This is really pricey for a pizza only this big. Like, this is literally like a small pizza. Let's take a look at the Thailand exclusive prawn pizza. Whoa. Wow. Oh my God. This actually looks amazing. Can you see this? This actually looks pretty good. Like, honestly, I'm gonna show a picture of what they advertise. When they advertise something, it doesn't always look like the advertisement, but this, honestly, 100% looks a lot better than I expected. Oh, there's a sauce on it too. It's like some type of orange sauce. Tastes kind of like mayonnaise. I'm not a fan of mayonnaise, but let's go ahead and pull this bad boy apart. Can we just grab it like this? Okay. So yeah, it's not as super fresh, and so it's not like spreadable or whatever. But let's look at this. Look at this. There is like a sauce or whatnot. Prawn pizza. I've never had anything like this. Let's go ahead and just take a bite of everything. There's ham in it. I think this is like a meatball, but it's probably octopus. Let's try it. Honestly, it's not that bad. Like, the prawn tastes good, the pizza itself tastes good. I don't like this mayonnaise sauce, whatever. Like, the Thais here, they love mayonnaise. I mean, I think that's just Asia in general, because the Koreans love mayonnaise as well. I don't know why. I'm not a big fan of mayonnaise. Are you? Put in a comment, do you like mayonnaise or mustard more? I'm a bigger fan of mustard. That's some good ass prawn. Right here, let's pull this apart. There's like a sauce. Instead of tomato sauce, it's like Thousand Island dressing. I'm not too sure. Let's try out whatever this meatball is. Oh my God. That was an actual meatball. Like, I was preparing for like octopus or something. This is actual meatball. It's like a pepperoni taste. Oh my God. They got a little tomato sauce only on the meatballs. Them meatballs are cooking. I'm digging the meatballs. I'm digging the prawn. The pizza itself, like, the dough is fine. Honestly thought this was gonna be cheesy bread, but it's just normal dough. Oh no, there is cheesy bread. This is mozzarella. It's just cause it's not as fresh. The mozzarella is just not pulling apart, which is fine. And look, this is Pizza Hut, okay? I don't know about you guys, but I'm not a fan of Pizza Hut in the States. I love Papa John's way more than Pizza Hut. 400 baht, that is really pricey for this. Like, this is literally 2, 4, 6 slices. A 6-slice pizza, that's like, what? I guess that is like a medium in the States. It's just small. There's also pineapples on this pizza. But overall, man, this pizza's pretty kicking. It's pretty dope. Prawn just pulls apart, man. The flavor's good. I just wish they used tomato sauce. I'm digging this pizza. I'm digging the flavors. I just don't like this dressing. I really wish they had tomato, but besides that, this is pretty amazing. I love it. I'm gonna go ahead and give this pizza, I'm gonna honestly give this pizza 3.5 out of 5. The reason why I'm only giving it a 3.5, like, I wanna give it a 4, but the price, man, 400 baht, that is almost ridiculous. Like, literally you can get a whole Thai meal for 100 baht. So you're forfeiting 4 Thai meals for this one pizza. It ain't adding up, chief, but there is a lot of ingredients on it. So I guess I can kind of see the justification. Like, they literally go get the prawns, they fry them, they got the meatballs, they got the mozzarella, the stuffed crust. So 400 baht is steep, but I can understand it. But overall, man, it's an alright pizza. If you guys come to Thailand, I advise you guys trying this out. I probably won't ever order this ever again because it's pricey, man. It's pricey. But it's your boy Miss. Comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.